takes the snap, and he is in for a Panthers touchdown.
We lit!
Let's go.
Oh, the girls are here, baby. Yeah, yeah. Day 2 of the big sprocket. I was at a 40, and I bumped up to a 50. And yeah, shit torquey, man. Second gear, it's like the equivalent of first. On a base sprocket. Okay, Micah. What's up? Hello again. I want to see some wheelies on that bike, alright? I bet you, I'm sure. 1 minute with no hands? Dang. You're better than all of us. Alright, enjoy the show. We're gonna keep practicing. Woo! That shit picked up quick. Bro, I'm in first fucking gear. Oh, okay, Micah, you want me to show up? 13 mile per hour wheelies, dragging the foot.
Try it!
I got some digits, baby. Dude's judo kicking that shit.
I'm done with knee knockers. I'm doing toe knockers from now on.
Dude, you're judo kicking the fucking air, bro. That shit crazy.
Toe knockers is my new trick.
You heard? He's hitting toe knockers.
I'm gonna call it the camel toe.
That's crazy. Okay, I'm done. I'm going home.
I like how you I got some digits.
I got some digits, baby.
It's like, let me get your number. Thank you.
I'm an adult, so you have to.
Hold up.
I'm gonna go get some air for the tire because that shit was flatter than your girl's ass, boy. It's weird with this Kawasaki. You have to like manhandle the fuck out of it. It's like a Grom but bigger. I'm gonna go get air. I'm gonna go get air, and then
Air?
yeah.
Oh, my finger tight. I was like,
I don't like the way it feels.
Yeah, it looks a little low.
And I'm gonna get another beverage.
Okay.
So, you want to come with? Or you're gonna stay here?
Where you going, Toronto?
Yeah.
I'll come with.